Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to build the perfect stock screener in TradingView so you can find the best stocks faster in 2025. Open TradingView and click Screeners. From the bottom panel, then choose Stock Screener. At the top, you'll see a filter options like Exchange, Market Cap, PE ratio, and more. Click Filters and start setting your criteria. For example, market cap over 1 billion, price above 10, and volume over 500k. Next, hit Save Filter Preset and give it a name like Growth Stocks 2025. You can also add extra columns like RSI or Moving Average to make it more technical. Finally, click Export if you want to download or track your filtered list. And that's how you create the perfect stock screener in TradingView. Powerful, customized, and ready to help you spot winning stocks in 2025.